Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to find target promo codes in 2025. So in order to find target promo codes, you just have to simply open a new tab in your web browser, and first you need to search for target.com. Now once you are over here, you need to click on the deals option and then click on top deals, and over here target will show you all of the deals that are currently trending and in which you can get up to 50% off. So you just have to simply go to this section and check if your desirable product is in this list. Now if you want to add more discount on top of it, you just have to simply come to this website, that is coupons.com. Over here you need to use the search bar in the top right hand corner and search for target. Now once you search for it in the search bar, you will see target website. So you need to click on it and you will see all of the coupon codes that are currently active as of January 2025. So here you just have to simply click on the coupons section so that it could show you all of the coupon codes that are currently available. So here you need to click on the C coupon code and it will show you the coupon code that is currently working, which you can copy from here. Now before using it, I would recommend you to first click on this terms and conditions and check if this code is available for new customers or the existing customers. So this code is available for both new customers and the existing customers, which is a good thing. Now you just have to come on target and at the time of checkout, you just have to simply use the code that you have copied from coupons.com, and this way you can get more discount on your purchase with target. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.